Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make your voice sound demonic in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once you have your audio file loaded, double-click on the audio track to select all of it. This ensures that the effects you're about to apply will cover the entire recording rather than just a portion of it. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. When the menu appears, hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo, and then select Change Pitch. This effect is crucial because it's going to lower the frequency of your voice, giving it that deep, otherworldly quality that sounds demonic. Look for the percent change option. You'll see a text field where you can enter -20.000. Alternatively, you can use the slider at the bottom to adjust the pitch to your liking. Lowering the pitch by this amount will make your voice significantly deeper and more menacing. Before committing to this change, click Preview to hear how it sounds. This allows you to test the effect without permanently applying it. If you're not satisfied yet, you can go back and adjust the percent change until you get the exact tone you're looking for. Once the sound is good and matches what you're aiming for, click Apply in the bottom right to lock in the change. Next, we're going to add some atmospheric depth to really complete that demonic effect. Click Effect in the top toolbar again. Hover your mouse over Delay and Reverb, then click Reverb. This effect will add an echo-like quality that makes your voice sound like it's coming from a dark, cavernous space. Look for room size and enter 75, or you can use the slider next to it to adjust. Below it, you'll see Pre-Delay. Enter 10. For reverberance, enter 50. For damping, enter 50. For tone low, enter 100. For tone high, enter 100. For wet gain, enter -1. For dry gain, enter -1. And for stereo width, enter 100. These settings work together to create a rich, haunting reverb that enhances the demonic character of your voice. Click Preview in the bottom left to hear how all these settings sound together. Feel free to explore and adjust each option based on your preferences. Every voice is different, so tweaking these values can help you achieve the exact demonic tone you're going for. Once you're satisfied with how everything sounds, click Apply in the bottom right to finalize the effect. And that's it. You've successfully transformed your voice into something truly demonic using Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.